Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a Glitter Mix Canada haul for you guys today. I was browsing around the site and I saw some really cool stuff and I decided to place an order. So let me show you all the things that I got. Here's their little card with all their social media on there, so you can go check them out. So first off, we get a little free gift. This is a cuticle oil pen. This is from Onyx Nail Pro, I believe, and it's their collaboration with Glitter Mix Canada, and it smells really, really good. It's, I believe, a 3 ml, and it's a little clicky pen, and then you just click it up, and then you can rub it in. Of course, I had to try it out on myself, and it's a very nice oil. I like it a lot. Yes, my nails need a fill very badly. It's the nail tech life. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. So, as always, it's packaged gorgeous and, you know, nice and neat. I love that. Packaging is a big thing for me. So this is one of the things that I was on the site for is stickers. I love stickers. They add such a easy way to do nail art when you're in a hurry. So no hating on the stickers. I love the stickers. And then I picked up one of these little ombre brushes. Very nice for pigment powders. I love doing my baby boomers that way. And she also threw in a little nail buffer, which is very handy. And of course, it wouldn't be a Glitter Mix Canada haul without a little bit of glitter. These are chameleon glitters, and they're so pretty. I love them. I've used them maybe twice now, and then I used them mixed together, which was really pretty as well. And then this right here is an awesome bundle. So it's $35 bundle for, I think it was $29. And excuse me, this was one of the reasons I was on the site. I saw this sticker bundle and I had to have it. I thought a lot of these would be so great for spring going into summer. Some of these are like florals with like a holographic look to them. So pretty. Some of these can even be used for fall. And then I grabbed this one as well for my younger clientele. So the bundle had a lot of really nice things in it, and I've been getting a lot of use out of it. If you guys want to see all of the things that I do nail art wise, go check me out on Instagram at Ginger Sparks. That's where I post all of my nail sets. So I'd appreciate if you guys would give me a follow there and check out the art. And then a pack of lint-free wipes, because you can never have too many lint-free wipes. I also picked this up from Amazon. This is a lint-free wipe dispenser. I'll put the link in the description box. I'm pretty sure I can still find it. And the ones that I had in there are the OPI ones. I think these ones from Glitter Mix Canada will actually work a little better in this dispenser, but it's really handy and it keeps my lint-free wipes at hand and dust-free. So I really like that. So that is everything for this haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Glitter Mix Canada. You guys are awesome. And my dog is squeaking toys in the background, so it's time to play. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.